What's going on? What's up? It's Papa Hoss, and I am back from my little hiatus. I had to save some money for a vacation that my family took, so I wasn't smoking anything. I just needed a little break. I'm back from vacation. Today, I am smoking some wings. I'm doing it on the Lone Star Grill cabinet smoker at 330 for an hour. That should get the wings crispy, I hope. I'm still fine-tuning the Lone Star Grill, and hopefully these come out really crispy because they are for a birthday party for a friend of mine. He traded me a bag of pellets for it, so hey, the barter system works. I didn't film myself seasoning the chicken wings because you can season chicken yourself. So, but I am gonna use the Papa Hoss poultry chicken seasoning with a little bit of MSG, because on this channel MSG stands for Make Stuff Good. And yes, I am rocking the mustache. What do you guys think? Mustache or beard? But yeah, it's Saturday. The wings have been in the fridge overnight, uncovered in the fridge, which I just said, and hopefully they dried out enough where they can crisp up in the 330-degree smoke. So I'll see you guys when it's time to put the wings on the smoker. Bye-bye. So here are the wings after about 13 hours in the fridge. They look to be a little dried out, so that's good. The smoker is heating up. I'm letting it catch fire before I close the lid. And then I'm gonna cook these bad boys at 330 for an hour. Let's go. And normally I do cook with a water pan when I do low and slow, but when I do these hot and fast cooks for wings, I do take the water pan out. So I'm trying to get them as dry as possible, as crispy as possible, and as delicious as possible within that hour. So we will see how they turn out. Hopefully they're good and crispy. Like I said, I've been doing 300 on the cabinet for a while, and they were a little chewy, not as crispy as I'd like. So I'm hoping this extra 30 degrees helps, because on the Pitbull Savannah, I do cook it at 300, but the top rack where I cook the chicken is normally about 330. So it should equal itself out, right? Right? Hopefully. And here's what the 10 pounds of wings look like on the rack. I tried not to have any double lap or overlap. Tried to space them out pretty decently, and so they can cook evenly. It's at about 160 right now. So we got a little time until it hits 330. I'm just waiting for it to finish heating up, and then we can smoke these. Alright, so the wings are officially on the smoker. They're rocking at 330 for the first time in a while. Reagan says hi.
Hi guys, I'm a good girl. Bye.
And yeah, in an hour the wings should be done. I'm contemplating whether I want to spray them about halfway with some apple cider and apple juice. I don't think I'm gonna today. I think I just want to go as crispy as I can. And I'm just gonna keep an eye on them. Make sure nothing starts a fire or nothing, because that'd be bad. And yeah, it should be an easy cook. I'll see you guys when they're done. Alright, so the smoker has kind of settled down at like 315. It doesn't really want to get up to 330, which is fine. It still should crisp the wings up a little bit. I may go an hour and 15 if I don't like how they look at an hour, so we will see once the 60-minute mark hits. It's all a test, folks, and we're passing. Alright, so change of plans on a few things. The first one is we're 35 minutes into the cook, and it is sitting around 330, so the smoker can do what it needs to do. And I am going to go ahead and spray it a little bit, give it a little extra flavor, that little zest from the apple juice and the apple cider vinegar, make the wings taste that much better. So I'm going to go ahead and spray them and let them finish cooking. Bye. And boy, I thought this was just apple juice originally, but you can smell the apple cider vinegar in it, so it's definitely a mix. So it's gonna have a nice taste. It's gonna be a little salty. I'm having my friend make or bring some sauces, because I do my wings dry. Not everybody likes those. Comment in below if you are a dry or a wet wing guy or girl. And yeah, about 25 more minutes on this cook. Maybe they looked pretty good. I think I might have to do the extra 15 minutes on this smoker, but we will see. And everything's going according to plan, or even better. So stay tuned. All right, so we got about 2 minutes left of the original hour. Let's see how these wings look to see if they're done or if we're gonna add another 15 minutes. So let's see. You know what? They look good, but I think another 15 minutes ought to do it. Really crisp them up. So on the big smoker, the cabinet smoker, 330 for about an hour and 15 should be good to go. So I'll see you guys in another 15 minutes. All right, bye. All right, so those are the final wings. I did it at 330 on the Lone Star Grill cabinet smoker for an hour and 15 minutes. Those are looking amazing. That's going to go ahead and do it for this video. Go ahead, like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I don't know when my next video is. I'm not really in the barbecue cooking mood right now, but I will be back with another video. I will see you guys next time. Until then, stay wholesome. Peace. Bye.